we see the mountains high, so high, and the thought of our great God just fades away. Time after time we fail to believe. That's when we feel our trust in Him is far and out of reach. Yeah. But He's urging now to still hold on to Him. Just a little longer believe, for He understands your grief, and He counts all of your tears, and His plan is to prosper you and never harm you. To trust in Him, my friend. Oh, just hold on. His grace is just enough for you to walk another mile with every peak. His hand is never too short to reach. Oh, He will meet you. You're always on His mind. Oh, yeah. Be transformed by renewing their minds and choose a life that is pleasing and glorifies the Lord. God's to cast your burden to the Lord, unto the Lord, for Him to carry it through and lead you on. But He's urging now to still hold on to Him. Oh, just a little longer believe, for He understands your grief, and He counts all of your tears, and His plan is to prosper you and never harm you. To trust in Him, my friend. Oh, just hold on. His grace is just enough for you to walk another mile with every peak. His hand is never too short to reach. He will meet you.